In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a credential. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Credentials. You should arrive at a list of your credentials. Click on the name of the credential you would like to edit or delete. You should arrive at a page that looks like this. You could change your credential by clicking on the menu icon next to Frustrated Customer, and I could choose a different credential here. I'm going to leave it on Frustrated Customer. I could have also gotten to this page by clicking Settings in the new top menu bar and selecting Credential Settings. You cannot change a credential type. If you want to create a new type of credential, you need to make a whole new credential. But I could adjust the credential name. I could change the code. I could add an external ID, and I could add any notes. Maybe under notes I'll put after other safety classes. I could add a physical item if I wanted. If you want to save these changes, you need to click Save, so I'll go ahead and do that. And now these changes have been saved. Notice a green save bar has appeared, letting me know when I last saved this page. To delete this credential, click Delete in the box with your credential information. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you want to delete this credential. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. That's how you can edit and delete a credential in TeamWork 5. Notice that Frustrated Customer credential is no longer in this chart. Check out the next video to learn how to add prerequisites and stations to your credentials.